In this video, I will show you how to change currency on Nike app. First, open the app and head over to your profile by tapping the icon at the bottom right corner. On the right-hand side, tap Settings. Now, scroll down until you see Country/Region. Tap on it. You will be shown a list of countries. You can scroll or type your location in the search bar. For example, I will choose Japan. Once selected, you will see the terms and conditions pop up. Tap Agree. Then you will be asked to choose a language. I will go with English. Tap OK. And the app will refresh. That's it. Your region and currency are now updated based on your selected location. And that's how you change currency on Nike app.